It does me no good to file a case prematurely and then not be able to make that case. That doesn't protect anybody. The Estep case is still with the Mesa Police Department to complete some further investigation that we requested.
Who dropped the ball?
I don't know that anybody dropped the ball. Investigations sometimes take time to collect whatever information that is needed, and sometimes it can't be done overnight.
It is a story the ABC15 investigators have been following since last month. A case involving a suspected serial rapist. Police say James Estep had attacked at least 5 women, so they arrested him twice. But both times he was released and then arrested again on Wednesday night. Police say he had just attacked a 15-year-old girl. All of this raising a lot of troubling questions about this investigation.
ABC15 investigator Nicole Grigg has more as Estep found himself back in front of a judge earlier today.
James Estep limped into court as he made another initial appearance before a Maricopa County judge.
At this point, the defendant has a total of 5 victims.
Court documents say the latest victim is a 15-year-old girl. Estep allegedly offered her a ride after finding her at the light rail stop at Alma School Road on Wednesday. Police say he then drove her to the area of the Loop 101 in Apache, where he allegedly repeatedly strangled and punched the victim in the face and head before forcefully removing her pants. The details beyond that are even more graphic and heartbreaking.
He also strangled her with both his hands and used his feet to strangle her, resulting in significant injury to her throat.
Tempe police say they used surveillance video at the light rail to track down Estep's SUV at his Mesa home, where the SWAT team was sent in to arrest him Wednesday.
James Estep, we know you are alive. We are not leaving your residence.
Mesa police are also familiar with Estep. They've arrested him twice since May. Both times he was released. The first time, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office claimed there was no reasonable likelihood of conviction. The second, MCAO said the case needed further investigation.
All of this could be prevented if sexual assault victims were just believed.
For advocates like Jenna Panis, there are many questions about how this has happened.
We are incredibly perplexed. Certainly, we understand that there is an evaluation of legal evidence, but we are confused as to why MCAO isn't standing with victims.
ABC15 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski spoke with Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell on Thursday, just a day before we learned that this latest alleged victim is only 15 years old.
Who dropped the ball?
I don't know that anybody dropped the ball. Investigations sometimes take time to collect whatever information that is needed, and sometimes it can't be done overnight.
We have reached out to Mesa Police multiple times to ask how they feel about MCAO's decision to previously release Estep. We want to know whether the department believed there really was enough evidence to charge him. So far, they have denied our interview requests. The department issued this statement saying, "We are not commenting at this time on our cases with this same suspect. We continue to work with MCAO in hopes of bringing charges or a resolution to the cases we have." I'm investigator Nicole Grigg, ABC15 Arizona.
A judge gave Estep a $500,000 cash bond. Now, if he's released, he will have to be on house arrest with an ankle monitor. Our ABC15 investigators are committed to holding the powerful accountable. You can find their award-winning investigations streaming now on our ABC15 apps.